What's up, guys? This is Ross. And last time I got my CCNA, I decided I definitely need to get a job and I definitely need to create my own home lab. But actually, take it one step further and create my own isolated home network. Last time, I was able to unbox the equipment, that Cisco router, that Cisco switch. Everything came out of the box looking great. Now it's time to take it to the next step, and we just got to diagram out that network topology. Just draw the network. I admit, diagrams can be complicated, whether it's sheet music or football plays or blueprints. There's just so many shapes, so many lines, so many colors, so many X's and O's. It can be overwhelming. It can be like looking into a Jello mold or a gelatin dessert at some potluck at Thanksgiving or church. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be like that? Well, diagrams can be simple too. All you need or should need is a sheet of paper and a Sharpie. So yeah, my network is going to consist right now of 4 devices. The Cisco router, the Cisco switch, you got the Netgear Nighthawk, that's going to be the access point, and then you got that NAS, that network attached storage. So let's go ahead, we'll just diagram it out right now. All right, I like to use a circle. We're going to use a circle for that Cisco router. The Cisco router I have has 3 ports, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. So I'm hoping to make an ether channel to the switch. We'll do a nice big square for the switch here, like that. That Netgear Nighthawk on the back, it has 4 Ethernet ports. I'm hoping once I switch it over to access point mode or bridge mode, I'll be able to make an ether channel out of that as well, from the switch to that access point. So we're just going to draw 4 lines here. We'll do a little rectangle for that Netgear Nighthawk. And then we just need 1 line, 1 Ethernet cable going from the switch over to that NAS, that network attached storage. We'll go ahead, we'll do that now. Blam. Might as well label it. I like to do like an R for router. Put the word switch in there. On that switch square, and then we'll write AP for access point, and then I'll just put in NAS for NAS. Might as well go the extra mile, huh? And we'll do some end devices that can connect wirelessly to that access point. Get a desktop computer of some sort, draw like some sort of tablet. We'll get some wavy lines, get some smoke going. Always reminds me of Ghostbusters. Don't cross the streams. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the diagram. Pretty simple stuff. Blam. Nice. That's it. It's that simple. Now that I've got some ideas jotted down, the next step is I'd like to do a proper diagram in something like Microsoft Paint.